This is also very nice. I think amazing too. The capacity is 3 persons, so 250 grams. Amazing tunings. Well, it's probably the 1980s, but I love this. This is on Apelgatan too, but we still need to get to the buildings 10, or not, one of them is generic, we don't need, but 10, 16 later.
Yeah.
Only 2 later in here. This is before Bidablik, it's between Hagaskolan and Bredavägen. A tram stops on the tram line 3 here in Norrköping, Östergötland, Sweden. And it also deserves 2 rides. This number is 86371.86. We're starting on the ground floor. Let's get 2 rides here. This has been built in the mid-1950s, I think.
Yeah.
6 maybe.
Yeah, it was modernized in 1986. I think because it's 86 here.
Yeah, it's very likely.
Yeah.
It turned 65 years old in 2021, and Morsesha turned 35 years old in 2021. The second ride we can do a silent one.
Yeah.
It also has 2 split leveling here.
Inspected by the grant, maintained by Alt. That's interesting sounds. Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did. That's the Friedland Way type of alarm, acoustic one.